Hello friends, in my Redmi 9 Prime or the Redmi 9 global variant, I have got Android 11 update because I had registered for the pilot release. So today we can see the features and talk about the MIUI 12.5. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, I am going to my phone settings and going to about phone, and I am having Redmi 9 global variant same as the Redmi 9 Prime Indian variant. So as you can see, I have got 12.0.1.0 update and Android version is 11. So I had registered for the pilot release, so I got before the others get. As you can see, I have received update 12.0.1.0 update. It was MIUI based on Android 11. So this update was 2 GB update. I had updated it and I had rebooted. So after updating, I got Android 11. So now let's see what are the features and changes we can see after the Android 11 update. The first change which you can see is the recent tabs. When you go to the recent tabs, you can see now it is arranged in a different way. This you can change by going into the home screen settings and going into the arrange recent items, and you can change vertically or horizontally. I like the horizontal one, so I have kept it. So now if you want to switch app from one app to the other, now you must swipe at the bottom and it will switch app. Now the app opening and closing animation has been changed. Now it is faster, smoother and more responsive than before. If you want to create a floating window, you need to swipe from the bottom to the top and hold for 1 second and it will form a floating window. This is more easier compared to the last time of making floating windows. The next new feature is in the notepad. Now you can create mind map in notepad. Creating mind map is now easier in this. And there is new doodle feature in notepad which will allow you to draw shapes, and this time not a irregular shape, but now you can create perfect shapes by just holding the shape after you complete drawing. In the notification bar, we can see a new option called work mode. When you enable this, it will disable all the notification and it will restrict the notification from distracting you from the work. It will be useful for some people. As it is a pilot release update, we can't see many features, but after a stable update, we will be able to see more interesting and useful features. And we can expect MIUI 12.5 on Android 11 coming soon with a stable update. So when it comes, I will make sure to upload the video as soon as possible. So if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So I'll catch up you in the next one.